Okay, for this example, we're going to be looking at a multi-column Excquation example. If you haven't seen our basic example video, make sure you check that out. It shows a lot of the shortcuts and the buttons that are being pressed and how the basics of Excquation work. Okay, we'll use our basic template button to go ahead and get started a little bit more quickly. We'll grab that column and just copy it over so that now we have two columns. As you can see, the values in these two columns are the same right now, but we'll go ahead and start changing some of those so we can show you how the adjacent function formula works in a multi-column scenario. So our first real function is area equals length times width. Now by using the adjacent function formula, we can basically use whatever formula is one column to the left. So in this case, that's just going to be length times width. We'll change the value up here so that this is 20 instead of the 5.5, and you'll see that even though we're using the adjacent function formula, the values are being pulled from that column itself. So now when we change the formula in column E, the formula in column F is going to automatically update since it's based on that adjacent function formula. So now we're updating the volume formula in column E, but because we haven't used the adjacent function formula in column F, it's not updating there. So let's copy that adjacent function formula from row 11 to row 12, and then we'll see that the formula in column F is now based on the formula in column E again. So the benefit of using this adjacent function formula is that it allows you to only have to write or update the formula one single time, and then everything cross updates across the sheet. That way the only thing that you're changing is your variables at the top of the sheet, and it gives you a quick ability to perform a comparison of several different configurations that are based on the same formulas. And with that, I want to say thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Check out our website, excquation.com, or check us out on Kickstarter. Also, if you wouldn't mind, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.